Hi, you're welcome back to my channel. Both returning subscribers and new subscribers, thanks for the loyalty. Thanks for watching me. God bless you all. Today I will go straight to the point. I want to translate some idiom and proverbs to Yoruba language. Some proverbs and idioms, I want to translate it to Yoruba language. Òwe àti àkànlò èdè. So today I made a list of some of those words. First, all that glitters is not gold. The translation is gbogbo ohun tó ń dán kọ́ ni wúrà. Gbogbo ohun tó ń dán kọ́ ni wúrà. The second one, it is good to be generous. Ó dára kí ènìyàn lawọ́. Then the third one, east or west, home is the best. Ìlà oòrùn, ìwọ̀ oòrùn, kò síbi tó dàbí ilé. Health is wealth. Ìlera lọ́rọ̀. Don't pull my legs. Má tàn mí jẹ. He took to his heels. Ó fi ẹsẹ̀ fẹ́. Okay? Paddle your own canoe. Gbọ́ tirẹ̀. Some people will say, Fálànà gbọ́ tirẹ̀, tara ẹni là kọ́ gbọ́. So, paddle your own canoe means gbọ́ tirẹ̀ in Yoruba language. Hit the nail on the head. Sọ ojú abẹ níkò. Sọ ojú abẹ níkò. Hit the nail on the head. Sọ ojú abẹ níkò. Sọ ojú abẹ níkò. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. The translation is a kì í gbókèrè mọ dídùn ọbẹ̀. A kì í gbé òkèrè mọ dídùn ọbẹ̀. Then heaven help those who help themselves. Ẹni bá ran ara rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ń lòrìṣà òkè ń gbè. Ẹni bá ran ara rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ òun lòrìṣà òkè ń gbè. Ẹni bá ran ara rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ òun lòrìṣà òkè ń gbè. A twinkle of an eye, ní ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, àbí ká sọ wípé ní ẹyẹ ọ̀ṣọ́kà, ní ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, tàbí ká sọ wípé ní ẹyẹ ọ̀ṣọ́kà, tàbí ká sọ wípé lọ́gán, lọ́gán. A stitch in time saves 9. Kékeré la ti ń pẹ̀kan ìrókò. Kékeré la ti ń pẹ̀kan ìrókò. The devil engages the idle hand. Ọwọ́ tó dilẹ̀ lèṣù ń bẹ̀ níṣẹ́. Ọwọ́ tó dilẹ̀ òun ni èṣù ń bẹ̀ níṣẹ́. The child is the father of man. The child is the father of man. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí ẹyin ló ń di àkùkọ. That means the young shall grow. Ẹyin ló ń di àkùkọ. Ẹyin ló ń di àkùkọ. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Àṣejù bàbá àṣetẹ́. Àṣejù bàbá àṣetẹ́. Àṣejù bàbá àṣetẹ́. A stone heart, or when we say a stone-hearted person, that means ọlọ́kàn líle, or we can say ọkàn líle. When we say stone heart, that means that person has a stone heart. Ó ní ọkàn líle. Ó ní ọkàn líle. Ó ní ọkàn líle. Then the last one is a tree does not make a forest. Igi kan kì í dá igbó ṣe. Igi kan kì í dá igbó ṣe. I still remain your Yoruba tutor on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. It's very, very important to me. That is how you can support this channel. That is how you can support me, and that is how you can help promote our Yoruba culture, our African culture. Remember to share, like, and comment on this video to keep this channel going. Bye bye. Have a nice and lovely day.